Thanks to OIUEBXE for sending me this multimeter. It's Cat 3 rated, 600 volts. Right out of the box, it's a great size, small and pocketable, and great to toss in my tool bag. Comes with a temperature probe and some spare fuses in case I goof. And one thing I really like about this is that it has a built-in sensor that can sense live electricity so you can tell if you haven't turned off your circuit. And that's this dial right here, NCV or non-contact voltage. You just aim it at something that's live and it'll beep. So that's very important. Also comes with a light. Press once, it's backlit. Press and hold, you get a flashlight. And it's also an LCR meter, which has to do with measuring inductance, capacitance, and resistance, which work well with steady, non-fluctuating electricity. I appreciate that this is true RMS, whereas normal multimeters work on an average. They work well with steady, non-fluctuating electricity. So like you're in contact with live voltage in a house, so steady voltage. But if you're testing something like a motor or things with a high frequency to them, like LEDs, the voltage and numbers fluctuate, and this will show you those fluctuations because it's true RMS. It's not averaging those numbers. So you have your NCV, your non-contact voltage, your AC/DC voltage, your millivolts, your hertz, which is your electrical frequency, and the center one has four functions: a diode function, resistance, capacitance, but it's definitely nice to have a continuity tester, which this does. That is really important. It's got your temperature, you use your probe with Celsius and Fahrenheit, your inductance measurement, your microamps, your milliamps, and your amps. It has a hold button to hold the number, function for like to switch DC versus AC or Celsius versus Fahrenheit. Ground always goes in the common, and you'll usually operate on this side, the low amperage side, almost always. And both sides are fused and come with fuses just in case you do mess up. The probes attach on the back, and the back is magnetized. So this is everything I need in a multimeter, and even has some unexpected features that I can definitely use. So I'm a big fan. Go check it out.